Pakistani Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif is doing the rounds in social media. The tape contains a discussion about Maryam Nawaz, the Vice President of the PMLN and the daughter of the former Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif. The short audio clip contains a discussion regarding Maryam Nawaz's request for a power plant from India for her son-in-law. A top government official can be heard briefing Shehbaz Sharif in the audio. He allegedly warned Sharif about the consequences of his actions for facilitating his relative. This incident of audio tape leak has also highlighted the loopholes in the security system revolving around the Pakistani Prime Minister and his office, as it points fingers at how an audio clip between two government officials, including the Prime Minister, could be leaked in the first place. And this latest revelation has offered a great opportunity for the country's ex-Prime Minister Imran Khan to take a jibe at the incumbent Shehbaz Sharif and his exiled brother Nawaz Sharif. In a press conference, the PTI chief accused Nawaz, the former Prime Minister of Pakistan, of making